Vaibhav Agarwal now joins in on the phone line to give us some details. And Vaibhav, what exactly would you make out of this move, mulling to reduce that $1.7 billion stake in Axis Bank?
Well, of course, this has been, on the radar for the government since some time. And it's just that the amount is large, so, they've not been able to push through the entire amount earlier as well. But, clearly this has been on their agenda. And so, the only thing is that this does create a lot of supply of Axis Bank stock. And, in the past also, at times, this has been an overhang on the stock. So even now, considering the large amount of supply that would come from the government, the stock price could remain a little bit subdued because of this.
The finance ministry really is looking at a shortfall of close to 50,000 crore rupees in the disinvestment target for the current fiscal. We've been hearing of stories that probably they could ask cash-rich PSUs as well to, declare higher dividends so that the government coffers really fill up. But with Axis Bank already, staring at a fresh 52-week low, Vaibhav, how much more pressure would you really build in? Like you said, there could be a situation of excess supply in the market come through. So do you think we could probably see, a level of 400 or even sub 400 on an Axis Bank in the near term?
Yeah, actually, in the near term, one cannot really rule it out because it's not, this just adds to the overall selling pressure from FIIs as well, because of which, many of these frontline banking stocks have been under pressure. So, yeah, to that extent, and considering that from the fundamental point of view as well, the commentary, on the overall asset quality for any corporate-oriented lender is not favorable right now. So, yeah, in the near term, the stock could continue underperforming.
Okay, thanks very much, Vaibhav, for giving us your opinion. And the stock is clearly reacting, now down 3%. Plus, Poonam joins in as well to fill us in with what the implications are.